Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add animation to your Wix website. So what I've done is I've clicked on edit website, which has opened up the Wix website editor. Right here I'm just going to add some buttons from the elements tab. So I've just clicked on add elements. Here I've gone to buttons, and let's say I want to add these two buttons here and animate them. So this is the first one, and I'm also going to add another one right here from the button section. Let's say it's the email one. So I've just added these two buttons here. Now, if we want to add animation to these buttons, we can do this for any image or text. We just select the button itself and then we go to animation. Now we will choose the type of animation that we want to do. I think this one looks good. So fade in. And I'm going to select this fade in animation here. And once selected, you will see this button here to customize. Now for this one, the delay is going to be 0 seconds. However, I am going to do the same process for the other button as well. So I'm just going to highlight it here. I'm going to go to animation. I will use the same animation and I'll click on customize. And this time the delay is going to be 0.3 seconds. And what I can do now is exit out of this, and this should work if we preview our website here. So I'm just going to click on preview, and as you can see, it works. I'm just going to preview this once more. So if I click on preview, as you can see, they pop up one after the other. And you can do this for any combination of buttons or images. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.